Do you know which fruits are beneficial for diabetics and which ones aren't? If you're navigating the landscape of diabetes, you'll find that diet management plays a critical role in controlling blood sugar levels. A surprising aspect of this journey is the role of fruits. Yes, fruits. Certain ones can help maintain steady sugar levels while others might cause them to spike. So let's dive into the list of fruits that are beneficial and those you may want to avoid if you are diabetic. First on our list of beneficial fruits are berries. They are little powerhouses of nutrition, packed with antioxidants, vitamins and fiber. Berries, particularly blueberries, raspberries and strawberries, have a low glycemic index. This means they cause a slower, more steady rise in blood sugar levels, making them a great choice for people with diabetes. Next, let's talk about apples. They're not just delicious, they're also high in fiber and have a relatively low glycemic index. Eating an apple can help regulate your blood sugar levels, while also keeping you feeling full. Lastly, for this segment, we have oranges. These citrus fruits are high in fiber and vitamin C, plus they have a low glycemic index. They're a refreshing, nutritious option that can help manage diabetes while boosting your immune system. That wraps up the first set of fruits that are beneficial for diabetics. But there's more to come. Continuing our list, we have avocados, cherries, and peaches. First up is the ever-versatile avocado. This creamy green fruit is packed with healthy fats and fiber. These nutrients can help stabilize blood sugar levels, making avocados a great choice for individuals with diabetes. Next, we have cherries. These tiny vibrant fruits might be small, but they sure are mighty when it comes to health benefits. Cherries are packed with antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are linked to diabetes. Moving on, we have peaches. This juicy fruit is a good source of vitamins A and C. These vitamins play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy immune system, which can be beneficial for individuals managing diabetes. So, don't shy away from incorporating these fruits into your diet. And finally, our last beneficial fruit is the humble apricot. Now let's shift gears and look at the fruits you might want to avoid. First on the list are bananas. They are high in carbohydrates, which can spike blood sugar levels. Next, pineapples and mangoes. While they're tropical and tasty, they're also high in sugar. Grapes, although small and seemingly harmless, are sugar-packed as well. Now let's talk about dried fruit. It might seem like a good option, but the drying process concentrates the sugar, making it a less ideal choice. Fruit juice, while often touted as healthy, can be a sugar bomb in disguise. It lacks the fiber that whole fruits provide, which can help slow down the absorption of sugar. Similarly, canned fruit often comes packed in sugary syrup, and fruit smoothies, while a popular choice for a quick meal, can have high sugar levels due to the concentration of fruit. So there you have it, a quick guide to fruits for diabetics. To sum up, managing diabetes involves careful dietary choices. Let's recall the beneficial fruits: berries, apples, oranges, avocados, cherries, peaches, and apricots. On the other hand, it's best to limit or avoid bananas, pineapples, mangoes, grapes, dried fruit, fruit juice, canned fruit, and fruit smoothies. Yet, we must bear in mind that everyone is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. Always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your diet.